happy Jake. Today's menu is seasoned raw oyster. Because my father liked it very much, my mom used to make it sometimes. And when I was young, I often watched her and tried it next to her. My mom made it very easily and simply. In my memory, she just used 5 or 6 spices such as soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, sesame oil, and red pepper powder. I'll add some more spices like garlic, ginger powder, sesame seeds, and some vegetables such as green onions, chili pepper, and red pepper. First, let's wash the oysters. I prepare 420 grams of oyster with some coarse salt and very gently touch. It's very fresh. Lastly, when I rinsed the oyster, I added some salt. And drain it in a colander. Let's make a seasoning. I prepared 420 grams of oyster. Actually, the amount of fish sauce, soy sauce, or the ratio of fish sauce to soy sauce depends on how salty the oysters are. The oysters in the bag is less salty than the oysters sold by weight in mart. If you use the oysters from the bag, then use 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This time, I bought the oysters sold by weight in mart. It is saltier than the ones in the bag. So 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2.5 spoons of red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of plum syrup, half tablespoon of garlic, ground garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And stir it, mix well. Let's chop some vegetables. And pour all the seasonings onto the oysters. I missed the black pepper powder, so add some black pepper powder and add some vegetables as well. And toast gently to coat it with the seasonings. It smells good. Okay, there we go. It looks appetizing and smells like the sea. Good, right? On the plate. Wow. I'm gonna try it. One more. It's great. It is the spot. Please make sure to give it a try. You'll fall in love with it. Thank you. Goodbye.